Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Can you tell that my little one likes plushes? These plushes are all from Garten of Banban, which is one of his favorite games, and there's 8 in this pack total. He got this as a gift from his Nana, and he loves these. Lots of fun, vibrant colors. They each also have their own individual loop on top, so you can hang them up if you like. So my son loves plushes. It's one of those toys that he continually will play with again and again. He especially loves plushes that are from a game that he enjoys because it gives him something in the virtual world and makes it tangible. So if you've got a Garten of Banban lover, a plushie lover, they're going to be filled with so much joy to receive 8 plushes in the mail. And that's our point of view.